Hey, I'm back again. And guess what? Last night we took out the pie shelf, and today we've been working on something else. We've been working on this wall. What in the world? Look at what we found. Oh my goodness. Man, I guess you could hang anything you wanted to right there. Got another one of them old vents, stabilization vents, whatever you want to call them. And it's just, what a mess. Some more of that old wiring. I'm actually not going to take that out just yet, because I'm going to be taking out the other side of that wall when we redo the kitchen, and I want to run new wiring. Got all of this cleaned up. Got our big gigantic mess cleaned up. Place for our return air. Anyways, I'm gonna start filling this wall in, and we're gonna get stuff done, figure it out, and I'm probably gonna take most of that off, mainly because it's not flat. So anyways, I'll keep you updated and keep you posted. I'll check back in after I get the rest of this wall built. So we'll build that, and then I'll give you a sneak peek of how I framed it and what I did. So here we go. Well guys, I said I'd come back and give you another update. Here it is. We tore all that junk out. Now I'm sheetrocking. I forgot and didn't, show you some of the other stuff. But I did want to show you what I'm doing with the wall and what I did do and where we're at this point. Here we go. All right, so I started sheetrocking. As you can see. Whoa! As you can see. Now, there's where my return is, down here in the floor. Okay? Now, what they had originally was probably a wall mounted return, but what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to return underneath my cabinets. So now you probably see that electrical box is empty, no wires to it. That's because, well, I'm gonna run them whenever we do the other side of the wall, and that's gonna be a while, but it's gonna look pretty cool. So far, well, good night. There we go. That's what we got, and you know what? It's all gonna turn out just fine. And I'll tell you something else. It's gonna be good because it's my house, and it's just gonna be fine. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell a zombie if you see one. And I'll catch you next time. If you want to see something else, just click on it. Bye.